Jasmy coin is another symbolic that has been acquiring consideration in the realm of advanced monetary standards. It's the principal Japanese blockchain project that furnishes the two companies and individuals with one-of-a-kind and inventive information stockpiling prospects. How about we investigate it closer and make some Jasmy coin cost expectations for the next few long stretches of time. What is Jasmy coin? Jasmy coin is a new blockchain project from Japan. It was sent off in October 2021 by the Improvement Group, Kunitake Ando, Delegate Chief Kazumasa Sato, President and Chief Masanobu Yoshida, VP and CTO, and Hiroshi Harada, CFO. The blockchain innovation created by Jasmy expects to re-establish and defend individual information control. It joins customary Web of Things (IoT) with blockchain innovation, empowering clients to oversee their own information safely. Jasmy's decentralized blockchain is work to safeguard clients' information and give them complete command over how and when it is used. To do as such, the Jasmy network utilizes Interplanetary Record Framework, or IPFS, which consolidates Shrewd Safeguard and Security Information Communicator (SKC). The task likewise offers its clients of individual information storage, where they can securely keep their data. The objective is to lay out a setting where clients would genuinely control their information and choose how to utilize it. IoT gadgets will be a wellspring of new information that develops in the information storage. Jasmy is intended to be an installment digital money. Organizations who need to gain admittance to client information can do as such by getting it and paying in Jasmy. This lifts the opportunities for information subordinate associations to gather information, which is normally challenging to stop by. It is guessed that the worth of the information will ascend as the market develops. Is it great to purchase Jasmy coin? There is no basic solution to whether purchasing Jasmy coin is great. From one perspective, this digital currency has been staggeringly unstable, and that implies that financial backers might actually rake in some serious cash, assuming they purchase when the cost is low and sell when it spikes. Nonetheless, there is likewise a lot of hazard implied, and Jasmy coin has been known to out-of-nowhere crash. The marking stage, which is as of now being worked on, ought to build the liquidity of the token. This might actually influence Jasmy's future cost and market capitalization positively. Likewise, we shouldn't fail to remember that Jasmy is an exceptionally youthful money on the crypto market, so there isn't a lot of significant market information, and its genuine worth is challenging to gauge. So eventually, it relies upon your gamble resistance and venture objectives. In the event that you're willing to take a risk and you're okay with possible misfortunes, then purchasing Jasmy coin could be a decent choice. None of the substance on Changelly, including Jasmy token cost forecast, is speculation guidance, nor is it a substitution of counsel from an insured monetary organizer. Prior to choosing to purchase Jasmy coin, we prescribe you to do your own examination. What will Jasmy coin be worth? You can find the typical cost gauges by month and year in the segment underneath. Jasmy coin cost today. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Jasmy coin costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Jasmy coin will be $0.0089991. The greatest level that the Jasmy cost can reach is $0.0109989. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.0099999. Likely return for money invested, 57.1% by Jasmy value figure for February 2023. In light of the value changes of Jasmy coin toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Jasmy pace of $0.0069993 in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.0059994 and at $0.0069993 separately. Possible return for money invested, 0% by WAC 2023. Jasmy coin value conjecture. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the Jasmy cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0.0069993, while the most extreme could reach $0.0079992 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Jasmy coin may be around $0.0069993. Possible return for capital invested, 14.3% by Jasmy value estimate for April 2023. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value changes of Jasmy coin in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Jasmy rate they anticipate may be around $0.0069993 in April 2023. It can drop to $0.00699993 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.00799992. Possible return on initial capital investment, 14.3% by May 2023. Jasmy coin value figure around mid-year 2023. The Jasmy cost will be exchanged at $0.00799992 overall. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Jasmy coin worth to $0.00799992. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.00699993 in May 2023. Expected return for capital invested, 14.3% by Jasmy value gauge for June 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Jasmy coin costs in 2023. So they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023 $0.00799992. The most minimal and top Jasmy rates may be $0.00799992 and $0.00799992. Possible return for capital invested, 14.3% by July 2023. Jasmy coin value gauge crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Jasmy cost will be around $0.00799992. In July 2023, the Jasmy coin cost might drop to at least $0.00799992. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.00899991 in July 2023. Possible return on initial capital investment, 28.6% by Jasmy value figure for August 2023. Having dissected Jasmy coin costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Jasmy rate could arrive at a limit of $0.00899991 in August 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $0.00799992. For August 2023, the estimated normal of Jasmy coin is almost $0.00799992. Expected return for capital invested, 28.6% by September 2023. Jasmy coin value conjecture around mid-2023. The Jasmy coin cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.00899991. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the Jasmy cost could vary somewhere in the range of $0.00799992 and $0.009999. Possible return for money invested, 42.8% by Jasmy value conjecture for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Jasmy coin worth won't dip under at least $0.00899991. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is $0.009999.